Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome once again to my channel and Facebook page. Today I'd like to share a topic that is one kind of centrifuge machines, and I would like to share this topic because most of the chemistry students, they properly don't know how to use centrifuge machine in a professional way. And when you'd like to watch these videos completely with a mindful situation, then it will be really helpful for you, and it will give you the proper technique, and it will smooth your journey in chemistry laboratory. So without any further ado, let's get started. You are seeing that it's a centrifuge machine, and there are lots of things involved in centrifuge machine. There is a, you can say, controller portion or management portion, and the rate portion that indicates that it's a speed regulator. That means if you'd like to keep your centrifuge in 1000 rpm, then you should keep in this state. And if you'd like to transfer in 2, then it indicates that it's a 2000 rpm or revolution per minute. And if you'd like to centrifuge your solution in 10,000 rpm, then you should keep this specific indicator in this position. And this is a, you can say, another portion that is a, you can say, time management portion. That means how much time you would like to you are seeing that it's a time management button. When you'd like to keep in this position, that indicates that it's a 2.5 minutes. When you'd like to keep in this position, that indicates that it's a, you can say, 5 minutes. That means how many time you'd like to maintain your centrifuge, you can ensure by this specific portion. And after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, the overall centrifuge procedure will be completed. So in the internal portion, you can open this specific lid from this you can say portion, and there are lots of holes. And if you like to centrifuge 2 test tubes, then you should keep in your mind that 2 centrifuges will be in opposite situation. That means it will be in 180 degree angle position. That means it should be totally opposite. And when you'd like to maintain this situation, that means there will not any kind of awkward situation. That means it will not jam together. You will be able to maintain the overall you can say centrifuge procedure in a proper way. If you'd like to keep in 2 Falcon tube in surrounding position or neighbor position, then it will create you can say unintentional jumping, and it will create an threatening situations for you if you are newcomer in the chemistry laboratory. So if you have to keep in your mind that 2 Falcon tube or 2 test tube should be in balanced position. And if you'd like to use 3 test tube, it shouldn't be allowed. And if you'd like to use 4 test tube, you should keep in your mind that 4 Falcon tubes should be in opposite positions each other. So that's it. And so guys, that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos. Assalamu alaikum.